Okay, so just to finish up the project here, we're just going to clean things up a little bit. So as you can see, the ball still isn't moving from that top left to bottom right. And that's because we're changing our y values differently to how we're changing our x values. So that gets that nice motion backwards and forwards. The other one, which is not it doesn't break the code, but it's certainly not ideal, was that we had x greater than canvas.height. Because our canvas is a square, that value doesn't matter, but it still down the line probably would give us some issues. With regards to writing your code in general, this isn't really the best way of doing things, where you have one big function here that has multiple different functions going on. So essentially, there's multiple things going on in this function. Ideally, you really want to have in your functions that they're only doing one thing essentially. With these hard coded values in here, canvas.width and canvas.height, you would really be better off just saying let width equal canvas.width. And then you could just reference it as width all the way through. So that would be a few things to clean up, but yeah. So essentially, that's how motion works. This example, it looks simple, but there's quite a bit of logic going into it. So when you understand how these things work, you're much more free to sort of start animating your websites and get things moving around, just to make it sort of look a little bit more dynamic to the user. So yeah, so that was my phone going off. So probably leave it there. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial.